Tamil. Okay. So you have to check the number of students. How? First mark all of them on the x-axis. So see this. I have marked all these numbers on the x-axis and made the marking. Remember, point year and there, it doesn't matter. If your point goes from year to year and it's 10.1 or 10.5, it doesn't matter a lot. What matters is the round figures. Okay. So what is the total number of students? All these students, total Punjabi, Marathi, Bengali, English, Hindi and Tamil. All these total up to total number of students. So just add them. 55 plus 35 plus 25 plus 15 plus 10 plus 5. So total is 145. Answer is 145 students. What is the ratio of the number of students speaking Punjabi to those speaking English? We'll just use a short form, first alphabets. So Punjabi to English you want. P to E, right? What is P? 35. What is E? 25. So P2 is 35 by 25. Okay, 5 sevens are and 5 fives are. 7 is to 5 is the answer. Next, what is the percentage of students speaking Marathi over speaking Hindi? Here Marathi is 15, Hindi is 55. Over word is wrongly used over here. It means speaking Marathi to Hindi, because over means above it should be, but Marathi is not above Hindi. So it should be Marathi to Hindi. So Marathi upon Hindi into 100. Why 100? Because we want percentage. So 15 upon 55 into 100. Solve this, you will get 300 by 11. So solve this, you will get 27.27%. Okay, that is the answer. Next, the given pie chart shows the spending of a family on various heads during the month. Now what is the pie chart? I have explained it in my earlier videos on the same chapter. Check that. Study the graph and answer the following questions. Here, this is a pie chart. This is the total spending of a family on various items. So food, rent, clothing, fuel, education and others. Okay, these are the percentages. If you add all these percentages, they should come up to 100, because that's the meaning of pie chart. Either in pie chart. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.